Hey, it's Anthony from Flexifoil here. For nearly 50 years we've been designing kites, and today I'm very proud to introduce you to our latest kite, the Flexifoil camera kite. So the first thing you're going to get when we open this box is the rucksack. The camera kite comes fully equipped with a well-built and good-looking rucksack. It's the easiest way to store and carry your entire kite kit. Yes, the entire kit, as well as all the accessories you know and love. The rucksack has been built using impressive heavy-duty nylon for reliability and strength you can always count on. A waterproof base is the perfect choice for any location. Enjoy adjustable side-release plastic buckles, adjustable shoulder straps, a drawstring closure, and there's additional padding for comfort. Also contained within the rucksack is a compartment for your reel. The rucksack comes in stunning black fabric with integrated white and grey prints. So now, having shown you around the rucksack, I'd like to show you what's inside it. So the first component we're going to be taking out of the bag is the reel. The reel comes with a support strap and also with 55 meters of flying line attached to it. I'm going to take the support strap, pass it over my head and under my arm. And as you can see, it fits nice and comfortably, finger on the brake. This is an extremely solid reel. It features an ABS plastic body with an aluminium flying line glider, as well as ball bearings for more versatility and flexibility. The reel and accompanying support strap allow the user to safely and securely reel the kite in and out, quickly, easily, and smoothly. Now, also incorporated in the reel is a 55-meter flying line. That's 180 feet, and that's made from 16-string braided polyester, and it has a tough 120-kilo braking strength. The flying line is already connected to the reel, so it can be reeled in and out quickly, easily, and hassle-free. And it comes in white for a refreshing neutral look. So that's the reel, and now we're going to take out the component storage bag. This bag is crafted from high quality, durable nylon for strength and stability, designed to stand the test of time. Enjoy quick and easy convenient storage of all your camera kite accessories. The bag also features tasteful red and black prints. So in the component storage bag, you get a landing handle, you get an anchor leash, you get a pair of safety gloves, and you get the stabilizer. Simply secure your action camera or your smartphone into one of the world's smallest and lightest one-axis stabilizers. So while the kite is oscillating and moving in the sky, your action camera or your smartphone will always remain straight. It's a highly intelligent, lightweight and new design concept, and it includes a mini USB for convenient charging. Next, I'm going to show you the landing handle. If you wish to lower and even direct your kite in a desired direction, traditionally you'd have to use your reel. With our sturdy yet comfortable padded landing handle, you can do so without even having to use the reel. The camera kite's landing handle is built from a nylon padding featuring a nylon loop extension and a carabiner too, which is super strong. Next, I'm going to talk to you about the gloves. Now, while kite flying is all in the name of fun, always safeguard and protect your hands with the camera kite's exclusive protection gloves. They are made from nylon spandex glass fiber knit, featuring PU coating. And next, we'll talk about the anchor leash. So do you want to enable your kite to fly independently? In other words, without you or anyone else having to hold it in order to operate it? Then no problem at all. You can use our cutting edge anchor leash to achieve full flying independence where and when you need it most. The anchor leash features a high quality durable loop extension and a carabiner. Next, I'm going to show you the Groundstake. Simply insert this tough and robust Groundstake into the ground to quickly, easily and effectively anchor your kite to your anchor leash for the most pleasurable independent flying. The Groundstake has been built from stainless steel for your peace of mind, and it measures a whopping 46 centimeters long. It's in silver and very, very strong. Before we get to the kite, I would just like to show you the 60-page user manual. In this manual, you get an overview of all the contents that are in the box. And also included in the manual is how to safely launch your kite. I'm going to pop the manual down here. I'm going to make some space to show you the amazing kite. The kite comes in a lightweight storage bag. Enjoy quick and easy storage of your camera kite, just the kite, without having to go through the hassle or inconvenience of removing the wingtip, top and bottom spine spars. There's an adjustable shoulder strap and a secure drawstring closure included too. And now time for the star of the show. This camera kite has been expertly engineered using high quality nylon ripstop material with a Dacron cage construction. Why nylon ripstop? Well, not only is this material refreshingly lightweight, but it's also far stronger than anyone would think. The perfect combination for a great kite flying session. Why the Dacron cage? We use this to encase the spars because the spars are the poles which make up the kite frame, as well as to help avoid any undesired wear and tear to the kite's edges. Speaking of the spars, these are constructed using 5mm carbon fibre tubes, which also house internal bungees that make up the kite's robust carbon frame. The result? The kite is given a powerful stiff shape, yet on a surprisingly light frame, boosting performance in both stronger and lighter winds. To see our Flexifoil camera kite in action, and for more information on the setup, please see the Flexifoil camera kite video.